Here's what you need to know before buying Folloze, the social media management and analytics software, and how it compares to competitors. By the end, you'll see why it might, or might not, be the right choice for you. First, Folloze is designed for B2B engagement, making it a strong choice for companies looking to streamline buyer journeys. Unlike some competitors, it focuses less on broad social media management and more on creating personalized, data-driven content experiences. Next, its analytics capabilities provide detailed insights into buyer behavior. While platforms like HubSpot offer similar features, Folloze emphasizes actionable data for sales teams to convert leads more effectively. The third thing you need to know is its integration options. Folloze works seamlessly with CRMs like Salesforce and Marketo. However, if you're already using a tool like Sprout Social, note that Folloze doesn't cover comprehensive social media scheduling. The fourth consideration is its user interface. Folloze has a clean design, but there's a learning curve. For smaller teams without a dedicated marketer, tools like Buffer might feel more intuitive out of the box. Next, its collaboration features stand out. Teams can work together on content creation and track campaign performance. Compared to competitors like Hootsuite, this collaborative focus is better suited for account-based marketing. The sixth thing to note is pricing. Folloze is premium software, and smaller businesses might find alternatives like Zoho Social more affordable. However, Folloze offers strong ROI for mid to large-scale enterprises focused on long-term buyer engagement. Moving on, customer support is another area to consider. While Folloze offers good support, it's not 24/7. Some competitors, such as Social Pilot, provide around-the-clock assistance, which might be crucial for global teams. The eighth point is scalability. Folloze is built to handle growing business needs. It's ideal for expanding marketing teams and larger campaigns, but smaller companies might feel overwhelmed by its advanced features. Another key point is security. Folloze takes data protection seriously, making it a reliable choice for industries that prioritize compliance, like healthcare or finance. However, if security is your only concern, there are simpler solutions with lower costs. 10th, Folloze offers personalized recommendations based on buyer profiles, which sets it apart from general social media tools. This makes it a valuable addition to businesses heavily invested in lead nurturing. Next thing, customization is a strength of Folloze. You can tailor content experiences to align with your brand. While tools like Canva offer creative customization, Folloze excels in dynamic, campaign-specific personalization. Finally, its performance reporting is robust, but if you're looking for deeper social engagement metrics, platforms like Later might provide more specialized insights. Overall, Folloze is a good option for businesses focused on B2B engagement and personalization. But if you want a better alternative with broader capabilities, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free.